pancake French toast. Anything. Ayan, may French toast at pancake. Oh, still hot. And what else? Fried plain. Baked beans. Oh, they have beans. This one. Fried plantain. I don't know. Maybe banana, that one. And they have pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Pumpkin. Catch natin lahat, guys. Paano meron sila? May ketchup, hot sauce, mustard, hash brown. Iba yung hash brown nila, guys. Patatas. Patatas. Fritata. I don't know what's that meaning. May bay. Parya yata sa atin. Parya. Ang palaya. Ham. May ham sila dito. Let me see. Ay, nothing. Wala naman. Hey, pork sausage. It's hot. Oh, there's the ham. There's the ham there. Yeah, there's the ham. Chicken sausage. Let me. Yan ang shape ng chicken sausage. It's good. And what is one? Bacon. Oh. There's the bacon nga. Fish buhon. Fish. Isda, guys. Isda na maalat. Tapos, mayroon silang fried bakes, coconut bakes. Ito yung gusto niya. Tapos, mayroon silang sweet bread, cinnamon, sponge cake. Ito yung sponge cake nila, guys. Ayan. Tapos, meron silang oatmeal. Ito yung oatmeal. Ito yung cereal. Cereal. Ito yung mga prutas. Pineapple. Meron silang watermelon. That is papaya. Papaya. Meron silang yogurt. Punta tayo sa bread. Gusto yung mag-toast ng bread dito. May toast. Toast bread pa. Tapos nila sila fruit juice, water, and orange juice. Tubig na may ice. Yan. Kailang meron sila, guys. Pero pag gusto nyo ng ubos ng watermelon juice ng green juice, tapos papaya juice. Papaya juice nila wala, konti na lang. Ito green juice, wala na. Watermelon, ayan. Yan po ang meron sa guys. Okay, that's all for today. May ikot dito.